What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another unboxing, but today it's a headphone which is from HYPERX. This is the HYPERX Alpha Pro. But before we proceed with unboxing, almost 96% of my viewers are not subscribed to this channel. So please do hit the subscribe button and leave a like at the end of this video. Let's get started. So this is going to be a quick unboxing and not a review. We'll take a look at what's inside the box and also check the quality of the product. So let's get unboxing. So we have the trusted knife here and yeah, let me just break this through. Yeah, I'm not that good at unboxing. But here we go. Seems to be really well packed. So let's cut open the. All right. So this is the HYPERX Cloud Alpha, and I have got it in black color, and yeah, it's Discord certified, as you all can see. All right, there was a seal there. Interesting. Ooh, HYPERX has you covered. So HYPERX has headphones, keyboards. If I'm not wrong, this is RAM, mouse pads. I don't know what that is, and I'm not sure what that is as well. Interesting. HYPERX Cloud Alpha starter guide. Awesome. Let's take a look at what's inside the sleeve. Okay, so this seems to be the audio cable, headphone and mic jack. So yeah, let's keep that aside. And I love how this is packed. Ooh, that looks amazing. HYPERX logo, no RGB on this headphones. We have HYPERX logo here as well. This feels super premium, if you ask me. So previously I was using the G533, and I'm 100% sure that this is definitely better than those headphones. So the material used here, if I'm not wrong, is aluminum, and that's awesome. And then we have the audio controls in this cable. So yeah, we have the mute button, volume control, which is great, and at last we have a detachable mic which goes in here, if I'm not wrong. Yep, perfect. So the first impression is definitely that this looks and feels premium, but I have not tested the audio quality on these, so I'll be gaming for a week or two and test the audio quality and share the feedback with you guys. You can either check the description for the feedback, or I'll make a separate video on that. So stay tuned for that. So that's it about unboxing. I don't think there's anything else in this box. Yep, there's nothing else. So that is it. So this is how the headphone looks when you're wearing it on, and a very comfortable fit, if you ask me. So I think for long hours of gaming, this is going to be really good. Not just gaming, but in case you want to use this for con calls as well. If you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of the HYPERX Cloud Alpha, if you did, smash that like button, do subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.